You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome. Jolly joining in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Broly Super Saiyan. Already got a review out there with it comes with a legendary version, but this is the normal version. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I am so excited that there are coming more and more Broly figures because I'm just a big fan. I'm not like a Goku or Vegeta fan. No, I am a Broly fan. So I am super excited to basically like unboxing more and adding more Broly statues and figures to my collection. And this thing looks freaking epic. Alright, so let's get over here. Let's get this bad boy out. There was nothing else inside the package. So let's put this one aside. And let's take a close look at what are we going to get with our friend Broly. So there was no assembly required. Okay, that's something you don't see very often. Yeah, of course we have like this base that we need to put it underneath. But beside that, nothing really fancy going on when it comes to assembly. Very easy. So this is going to be a very short video. Oh yeah, so here he is, my big friend. So I found it out quite interesting why they're going to use the bubble wrap. Okay, let's see if I can remove it without too much hassle. Oh man, this hair looks amazing. This effect on the back. Yeah, it was quite difficult to get this loose. Alright. Ah man. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest, like I will never do that. When it was like a risen statue, I would be like cutting everything off. Okay, so the first thing I really like about it is like his facial expression. His body on it, or his body has been damaged, but also like the shadow effects on it. So this statue looks freaking amazing. His hair, like what I think is quite interesting with these statues and figures, like every manufacturer has their own way of making the statue, because when you're looking at some of the effects, this is like the Super Saiyan version, and there is like, yeah, clean and simple. Like there are some minor effects on his hair, but nothing really fancy. Okay, so when it comes to the quality itself, I do see some residence of glue over there. Everything has been connected fairly well. I do see some glue in here and there. But beside that is nothing like that is horrible or bad. Also his clothing, the effect itself is very nice. I do see something that's going on here. So that is not great, to be honest. Alright, let's connect his feet. Let's see how it fits in. And I mean like connect his feet with the base. This is a very simple base that you need to put in. Alright. I'm not going to hold it here. There's also a question like why are we going to hold it? Alright, clicks in perfectly without any hassle. Alright, so the downside to this stupid thing is, I mean like this, basically the plastic that you need to attach to his body, that the statue stands a little bit crooked over here. You can see it on the video, like it needs to be standing like this, and they have nothing to do with the positioning or the glass that I'm putting it on. It's a little bit of a bummer if you ask me. It's just a problem with this stupid plastic, and there is no way of like say doing anything else with it. So let's see if I can fix it with some, let's say, gummies. So for now I'm just going to use like a basic solution, but while you're looking at this statue, it's absolutely gorgeous. And it is something else. I also did a review about the legendary edition, so maybe we're doing a side-by-side comparison later on. But absolutely, they're doing an amazing job over there with these statues, especially when looking at this face, his necklace, everything is like super detailed. His belt is okay. You can see over here, like it looks kind of weird when it comes to the paint job, but I take consideration that I'm zooming in up close very well. So I already pointed out that everything looks kind of cool, and I mean like everything is made very well. Like it's an absolutely beautiful statue. But the only downside is that this bloody thing is as crooked as it can be when you're not using any, let's say, gummies or anything to put it straight on my display. But take consideration, because he tilted his head downwards, the downside to this is like if you want to have like his full face expression towards you, you need to put this statue above of your collection so you can look at it. So this looks freaking awesome. I think this is even going to be like the most epic thumbnail they can make for this statue here on YouTube. But yeah guys, so this is basically what we're going to get with this figure. It looks amazing when it comes to the clothing and everything. They did an amazing job, and I did not really find any big flaws. Maybe a little bit of a black dot here and there, and maybe like a minor mispaint, but nothing really bad. But I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become on the Wicked family. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this Brody statue. And consider subscribing, hit that little bell, because we're also going to do a side-by-side and a then a full review about the Legendary Edition too. It would be great just to see you in the next video.